Morning. So my toast obsession continues. I got some avocado toast here, except I tried to fancy it up a little bit. I did some beet sauerkraut on top, some hot sauce from Fresh, and then some cherry tomatoes, hemp seed. Ooh, I forgot to do salt and pepper. Let me get that. I've actually been loving either doing kimchi or beet sauerkraut on top of the toast. I just find like the acidity gives it like a really good little flavor, and it balances out like the really fatty avocados. So, okay, now I know a bunch of you guys are gonna ask what sauerkraut I was using. It's this one. It's from Wild Brine, and they do a bunch of really good kind of fermented foods. They do a really good kimchi, which is vegan, and this red beet cabbage is really good too. But I'm almost done it. I swear I go through tubs of these so quickly, it's mildly alarming. So I am gonna eat that. I might grab a piece of fruit after too. I do normally like a little bit of sweetness for breakfast, so I'm gonna see what fruit I have, but I'm gonna eat this up first. I feel like everyone has their own little avocado toast recipe, so let me know how you guys like to make it or what I should try doing on top, because I've been having a lot of fun experimenting with different toppings. Anyways, I'm so hungry, I'm just gonna sit down and eat this. That is done. Like, not to be dramatic, but isn't that the sexiest piece of avocado toast you've ever seen? Hello? Okay, so I am still kind of wanting something a little sweet, so I have this bucket of blueberries. I'm definitely not gonna eat all of them all in one go. I'm just gonna kind of pick through a few of them and eat some, just to have a little antioxidant moment. These are some large and in charge blueberries. Oh my goodness. Very delicious. So I just got back from a little run. I'm gonna make a snack now. I think I'm gonna do like a protein smoothie, something like that. I'm gonna hop in the shower first. I literally did not leave the house at all yesterday. I was sitting editing literally all day and really probably just set back my health a little bit because I was so inactive. Anyways, I thought today I needed to do a little run. But yeah, let's make a little smoothie. Okay, it is protein smoothie time. First things first, I'm gonna put in some ice. Now I feel like I'm kind of running low on my regular smoothie ingredients, but I'm just gonna throw together some things and hopefully it kind of turns out fine. So I'm gonna add in some frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries. Now I'm gonna add in this vegan protein. This one is the unsweetened and unflavored kind. I actually really like this brand, Genuine Health. They do a bunch of different good supplements and powders and a lot of vegan friendly products. So I'm just gonna add in like 1 scoop of that. Now normally I would add a frozen banana, but I only have a ripe banana, but that'll be okay. Now normally I would put in a giant tablespoon of natural peanut butter, but I actually just finished it and I ran out, which is a very tragic time because y'all know how much I love peanut butter. But I'm gonna add a bunch of raw almonds inside. Then I'm gonna do a bit of cinnamon, just kind of like a little sprinkle of that. And then last but not least, we're gonna add a bunch of coconut water. I love coconut water, especially after a workout. I'm told it has a lot of electrolytes inside and that's good for you for recovering. So it's kind of like, you know, the Earth's natural Gatorade. Now, I know that this smoothie is a really gross color, but that's just because we added the greens in. If it's not a gross color, then it's not healthy enough, okay? So this is like a bit more than, what size mason jar is this, like 500 mil? This definitely isn't the big one. I made too much smoothie. Whoa, okay, that's a lot more than I thought. So normally I would just put my smoothie in a giant mason jar, but that one actually is in the dishwasher. So we've got two glasses of smoothies today. So this is more of a little snack for me, so I'm gonna sit down and do some work and just sip on these smoothies. It's good, very edible. It's not my normal recipe, but I'm digging it. Okay, I'm aware that this looks extremely unappetizing, but you know what? This is what I eat in a day. I'm trying to be real with you guys, and this is what I'm about to demolish. This is some leftover takeout from yesterday. It was like a soba noodle bowl with like some tempeh and beans and like lettuce and a weird dressing. But yeah, no, it is delicious. I just couldn't eat it all yesterday, and now I'm like, this is a perfect little snack that I need post-smoothie. So there you go. Nothing like yesterday's food to carry you through the next day. Okay, today has been an absolutely crazy day. I had so many things that I got done though. I'm feeling satisfied, but also kind of lost track of time. Kind of hungry. Don't know if I'm gonna go for a lunch or like a giant early dinner. Don't really know what to call this next section of food. I just know that I need to consume some calories ASAP. I have some food going off in the oven right now. I'm basically, okay. Once again, just a reminder that these videos are not the epitome of health, and I am not the epitome of health, and I eat not good all the times, and that's okay. So I basically wanted to do like a chicken nugget situation and french fry situation, but I wanted to be somewhat kinder to my body. So I am also cooking up some vegetables. So I have these really cool Yves veggie nuggets, which are obviously vegan. They're breaded, they look super unhealthy and delicious. They're basically made with soy protein. So if you don't do good eating soy, you're not gonna wanna eat these. But anyways, now if anyone knows me, I would always pick sweet potato fries over regular fries. I just really think they're so much better. I mean, I feel like that's just a fact actually. But I go to cut open the sweet potatoes that I had and they were rotten inside. So I just wasted them and had to throw them out, and I'm so annoyed because I hate wasting food. But I did have some white potatoes, so I just kind of cut them up, and I'll actually show you guys quick. So basically what I did, I have a bunch of little potatoes down at the bottom there, and I just put on some thyme, rosemary, salt and pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. And then at the top here, I did a bunch of different veggies. So I've got tri-colored carrots. So I've got purple carrots, yellow carrots, orange carrots, some asparagus, and some red pepper. Now obviously I'm not going to be eating 2 entire trays worth, so whatever I have left over, it'll be for lunch for the next day, and just leftovers. Now I think I always just overestimate my cooking skills because I watch like Chopped and MasterChef all the time, and I just believe that I am a chef and have that skill level to just kind of whip up some things in the kitchen with whatever I have left over. But that's not true, so it doesn't really turn out good. So I'm hoping this meal tastes good. I mean, you can't really go wrong with frozen vegan nuggets. So I think I just need to put these on a tray. Actually though, oddly enough, I've never had this brand of veggie nuggets before. What ones did I have? I had a different brand. Oh, maybe it was like the Guardian or Gardein. I don't know. There's another like vegan brand that my local grocery store carries. So I was kind of like sampling all the processed vegan food this week, and I was like, I wonder which ones are my favorite. So I'm excited to try this one out. I think all I need to do is put it on a baking sheet and then also pop it in the oven. Hopefully I have enough room. I don't really have enough baking sheets. Okay, I'm gonna have to use like cake pans because I'm out of baking sheets. MasterChef would definitely not approve of this. Okay, these babies gotta get in the oven for like 20 minutes, I think. 17 to 20 minutes to be exact. This is a really weird meal, I'm aware of that, but I don't know, I don't wanna like, I don't wanna like fake meals for the camera, you know what I'm saying? So, now this is the real deal. Sometimes you just kind of throw together random odds and ends that are in your fridge. Well, this is very vegan of me. Wow, truly what an odd arrangement of food, but honestly, I don't hate it. I'm ready to feast and to have a buffet. Woo! Also, update on the nuggets. They're looking very, very delicious. And then because we're really eating like a child today, gotta have some ketchup with the nugs. Ooh, baby, this is a very adult meal if I've ever seen one. Honestly, it's gonna be so good. I have no regrets. Okay, live taste test happening. Wow. These are incredible. I bet that you could give these to a non-vegan and they wouldn't know that they're vegan. The breading is so good too. Sometimes the vegan food scientists really just blow my mind. Like, I don't know how they're able to do this, but I'm very, very happy to live in a time where that exists. Now, would this be a proper what I ate in a day if I did not include a cookie? I like to treat myself on a daily basis. I've got a s'mores cookie here. It's like this amazing vegan s'mores cookie. There's like vegan marshmallow and chocolate chips, and it's so good and delicious, and it is my vice, truly. So I've just kind of been chilling outside and enjoying the weird kind of creepy sunset that's happening. I am gonna grab a little snack though just before bed. I don't really know what I want. I just know I kind of want, is this making sense? I just feel like a little snacky, honestly. Okay, my snack of choice, a good old Honeycrisp apple. I feel like my food today was not very exciting, but that's okay. I'm gonna eat this, sit in bed and watch YouTube probably for way too long, and that's gonna be my day. Let me know if you guys do want to see more what I eat in a day, because girl likes eating and I like filming videos, so it's a win-win for me. Anyways, thanks guys so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you do like it. That helps me know that you guys want to see more what I eat in a day videos. Anyways, thanks guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, do all the things. Goodbye from me and the Honeycrisp apple. Bye.